Okay, we are live. Live right now. Let's open Studio on here so I can see what's going on. Put the chat over here. Oops. That's not what I wanted. Yeah, okay. I'm already live. Okay. So today what I want to do is, I have my my two-in-one right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to set up the ability to use it. I actually figured out how to do this pretty well during the first semester of or the first year of college, community college. What I'm going to do is set it up to use. Let's just add a notebook. Let's do streaming work. I'll create the notebook. My internet connection. What? Let's try it again. Notebooks, add notebook. Streaming. Creating. Okay, this time I created it. Okay, so now I have a streaming notebook. We'll call this section. Let's do math practice. Okay. And what we should see here, my goal is to be able to use my two-in-one here and write on it with my pen. It shows up there. So that should work. So let's just title this page diagnostic test, because I'm not sure where I need to start with my math study again. Okay, so now I'm going to open it up as well on here. YouTube, more notebooks, streaming, there it is. Okay. So ideally what I would like to see happen is if I pick this up and close it, I'm holding it in my hand here, and I can start draw, make it a little bit small so I could say this should show up. Yeah, and it looks like I'm writing it there, and I'm writing it here, but since it's on the cloud, so it just depends on how fast my internet is. But like, I'm going to circle this, I'm going to tell you when I wrote the circle, and we'll see how long it takes. Drawing the circle now. Yeah, so it's pretty quick actually. Okay. Yeah, I'm happy with the way that works. So we'll use that when we get to the point where we're going to do some calculus stuff today. Let's look at that question for the 241 on the second part of the exercism. Or the second exercise I was looking at. So let's just download it first. So we'll do exercism, download, exercise equals twofer, F-E-R. That's funny that it does that. SML. Okay, downloaded. Alright, so now I just need to CD into that. Exercism, SML24. Alright, so we have testlib and a 24 down there. So let's see. Move our Emacs over here. We'll just find that file. So we'll do 24, and then let's look at the test, see what it's testing here. Okay, so it looks like it's going to test no name given, function name none, expect equal 1414, one for Alice. Okay, so that's where I was questioning. You see how here that they have name none or a sum, so they're actually using an option, and I was wondering because I don't know if there's a way in that in SML. Oh, I should have changed it. Okay, I don't know. Go back down here. Why did it do that? Man, let's close that again. Go here. We'll kill that, I guess. Okay. Now I can do... Oh, it's still open. I guess it'll just be opened up there. I'm not sure how to switch. Well, let's look at that. Like, how do you do that? Emacs transpose frames. Okay, so can I just do that? Transpose. I don't see frames. Oh, that's a lot of code that I really want to do. I thought there was a... No, I thought there was a command that did it automatically. Not willing to try to do that today. Okay, so there's our poly, or an unknown symbol. Okay, so we can do val test equals 42, 53, right? Oh. Do I have to do two? Oh, okay, so it's like OCaml. You have to have two semicolons for this poly ML. I didn't realize that. So let's go to back to that thing, and so we're 2 4 or 2 4 is short for 2 4 1. One for you and one for me, like Twix. But for Twix it's 2 for me, none for you. Given a name, return a string with a message. One for me, or one for name, one for me, where name is the given name. However, if the name is missing, return a string, one for you, one for me. Here are some examples. So let's look at the track documentation, because I want to know installing how to learn an online tutorial. Okay, so what I wanted to see, so what we're going to do, yeah, it takes options. So I figured that out just by looking at the test. Okay, so 2 for SML, function, string, raise, fail, name is not implemented. Input string option. Okay. So, okay. If input, if none input, if none input, then one for you, one for me, else be one for name, one for me. Okay, so that should be we'll do Control D to stop that process. Poly use Jufer SML. Type error in function, function none, a option, argument input. Value applied does not have a function type. Ah, but okay, I know what it is. Oops. So it's if is sum input not getting so well with my Emacs SISP. Else one for you, one for me. Okay, but I need the value. Val of one for val of input. Aha, okay, so if I do name Keenan. Oh, name Keenan. Oh, sum, I have to do sum, right? Sum Keenan. Poly error. Function name. Can't unify string option to a option. Incompatible types found here. Error type error in function. Function name sum. Reason value being applied does not have a function type. What? Poly. Can't unify string. Okay, so let me sum Keenan. Okay. Val of sum Keenan. Oh, okay. So I have to do val of as a function, sum in here, and then Keenan. Syntactically hard. Okay. So let's go back into the val of sum. No, val of input. Ah, okay. So is sum, I could put in with sum, and then Keenan, and then it should be true. I think we can use it now then. Function, string, option. Okay, so name, sum, Keenan. One for Keenan, one for me. Okay, so let's use test. Failed! No name given, expected. One for you, one for me. Got one for you, one for me. Oh, period. Three passed. Okay. Good. That's good, I guess. Okay, so let's do eShell. And exorcism. Submit. Yeah. Submit, implementation. 2 for. Command not found. Why isn't it in the path? Oh, did path get overwritten? No, because I. Yeah. Interesting. Oh no. I have to kick those people. Ban. Report. Pornography. How do we make sure that they're not? Well, that sucks. Why wouldn't that go away? Well, that sucks. That I got. Okay. Exorcism. Submit. Too far. Huh. Why isn't it? Alright, we'll just do it with Linux. Let's see. Back to the exercise. Okay. Rookie, I'm a rookie. Yeah. And I'm a member. Yeah. Okay. Some badges, buddies. I got some badges. So. Oh, that was only one exercise? What? Oh, here's another one. Leap. Giving a leap year. Okay, so that was some standard ML, one exercise for tonight. I was going to maybe think about doing another one. Let's see. What's this one? Leap year? Except every year that is evenly divisible. Okay, so this is saying on every year that is evenly divisible by 4. Except every year that is evenly divisible by 100, unless the year is also Okay, so we got that now. Let's do, see what it's testing. Okay. So let's just go and solve it here. Function is leap year. Year. Raise fail. Leap year is not implemented. On every year that is evenly divisible by 4. You know what I need? I need to know if poly does and also. So 4 equals 4 and also 4 equals 5. That should be false, right? Oh, errors. Why? Oh, because I spelled and also wrong. 4 equals 4 and also 4 equals 5. False. Okay. On every year that's even divisible by 4, we'll do leap. Okay, so we'll go up here. Now it's saying so I just need to do some coursework in this before, but we're going to do this probably brute force way without using any kind of course from the last couple days with the course. So it says if year mod, is mod the right term for that? For mod 2. Yeah, okay. If year mod 4 equals 0, then if year mod 100 then false, else if year mod 400 then true, else false. There's probably an easier way to solve that, which we're going to find out now. Three passed. Oh, that's for name. What? I know. Let's just kill it. Kill it. Now we'll do a poly. Now we'll do use test. Ooh, got some fails here. Static error raised. What in the flippity flop? Oh, okay. Error else expected, but G was found. If year mod. Oh, else false. Gotta remember my conditions. Probably not the first one's done that, right? 3 passed, 2 failed. Year divisible by 100. Such a true false. Okay, let's readdress this algorithm. The tricky thing here is that leap year in the Gregorian calendar occurs in every year that's even divisible by 4. 4 equals 0, then check 100. Okay, so now I gotta go in here. Yeah, here's divisible by 4. Okay. Except every error that's equal to divisible by 100. If it's divisible by 400, 100, okay. If here mod 4 if year mod 100 equals 0, then if year mod 400 equals 0, then true, else false. £1, okay. You're divisible by 4, not divisible by 100. Oh, that's true. Oops. on, Keenan. What the heck? There we go. That one wasn't as fun. Okay, so let's go here. Do submit. Leap year. All right. Community solutions. Oh, okay. Oh, that one's cool. I like this one, year mod 4, or else. Okay. So we'll be done with ML for today. Why am I only 3%? It's 30. Oh. Marcus. Where do I see Marcus complete? Percent through. Okay. Alright, let's close this out. And let's go to Khan Academy. I've been there in a while. Let's go to calculus. where's differential? College algebra. See all math. Okay. Let's start a differential. Strengthen the skills you've already mastered. Yeah, let's see how well that goes for me. Oh man. I can tell you right now, I don't remember how to do this. Let's just try it here. We'll copy this into OneNote here, paste, and then start working on it. Okay, so diagonal of a rhombus. What is a rhombus? I don't even remember what a rhombus is. What is a rhombus? Oh, okay. That's what a rhombus is. Well, diagonal of a rhombus is decreasing, so let's draw a rhombus. Say here. Here, here. The diagonal of a rhombus. One diagonal. So one of the diagonals decreasing at a rate of 7 centimeters per minute. So derivative dx equals negative 7 centimeters per minute. And the other diagonal is increasing at a rate of 10 centimeters. So we'll say this is diagonal A, this is diagonal B, so D dB of dx is increasing at a rate of 10 centimeters per minute. At a certain instance, the decreasing diagonal is 4 centimeters and the increasing diagonal is 8 centimeters. I'm sorry. The decreasing diagonal, so it's 4 centimeters. And the increasing diagonal is 6 centimeters. What is the rate of change of the area of the rhombus at that instant? Well, do I have an area? Ah, there's an area. So the area of a rhombus is, so we have D1 and D2. Oh, let me copy that equation over. Oh, what happened? No. Damn it. No, that's the right one. Yeah, okay. Alright, so that is the equation for the rhombus. Okay, so let's change, let's say this one's D1. This one's D1 and this one's D2. Okay, so the area of rhombus diagonals D1 and D2 is what is the rate of change of the area of the rhombus at that instance in square centimeters per minute? So this is a related rates problem, and I don't remember how to do those. I might have to start over. I might have to really start over pretty significantly. Okay. Okay. Related rates. The rate of change of the area of the rhombus at that instant. So D1 at that area has 4, and then D2 has 6, and that's over 2. So that was 24 over 2, or 12, is what the current square centimeter squared area is, but the rate of change is -7 centimeters times per minute times 10 centimeters per minute over 2. So 1, 5, -35 centimeters. That's not right though. 35 centimeters squared. Oh, 4. Why did I put 7 here? I don't remember. I'm gonna have to skip this one. Don't remember. So I'm gonna have to review. Okay. How we answered this? The math. Times d. We're given that d equals negative. D equals 10. Notice that d is negative. Must have given that d1 equals 4 and d2 at t0 time. We want to find relating the measures. The measures relate to each other through the formula for the area. We can differentiate both sides to find the expression. Okay. So why don't there is also the book. Well, I need to review my calculus pretty significantly. Derivatives concept, secant lines, average rate of change. What's the average change over the interval 2 to 4? What's the average rate of change over the interval 2 to 4? So, h. X plus 1, 2 to 4. So h of 2 equals 2, 2 plus 1, and h of 4 equals 2, 4 plus 1. So that gives me 2 to the third is 8. 2 to the fifth is 16. I'm sorry, 32. So the average rate of change that would be the slope, right? So that would be the slope, right? Average rate of change. So if I go into Desmos here, alright, it's coming back, trying to come back. If I go into Desmos, and we graph that, to the x plus 1. Okay. So we have f of, let's do a list, f of 2 and f of 3. Why don't I have a list? Oh, I want a list or an array. There we go. Oh, that doesn't actually do anything. Okay, so let's just do f of 2 and f of 3. Okay. Okay. 2 and 4 okay, so then we zoom out a little bit. So they're saying between here and here, what is the average slope? So the way we do that is difference in y's. Oops. Difference in y over x. Okay, so my y's are 8, so we'll do, oops, where'd it go? So we'll do this one being y sub 1 and y sub 2. So let's do 8 minus 32 over, this would be x sub 1, x sub 2, 2 minus 4. So 8 minus 32 is negative 24, right? Yep. Over negative 2. That cancels out negatives. That gives us 12. So I'm appending that the slope is 12. So that means if I do y equals 12x, that's to be similar. So it makes kind of sense that that should be similar to that slope. So we'll say 12. Oh yeah. Hey Casey, how's it going, buddy? I was just doing some some standard ML, and now I'm going through some review on calculus stuff. So you missed the cool stuff. Oh, are you still there? Mr. Bajoran. They don't know how to say Bajoran over here and up north. Okay, I got that one right. Alright. Oh, yeah. I pretty much just do them for accountability for myself. Makes me get downstairs here and actually turn on the computer, do some programming stuff. Been really interested in functional programming lately. I mean, I was interested in it before, but now I'm actually doing functional programming. This is not a good example. Let's see if I can find something better. Let's see. Some L. Here's like some homework here. It's just the first homework of this thing. So like doing like number of months, just doing things to this one's actually cool. I like this one. What month? Oldest month range. Kind of using list of pens and stuff. Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, I use the WSL command line. You know, here in the PowerShell to set it up. It was way easier than it used to be. Pretty much just like almost like the CLL for Azure, which I use a lot now. I've actually moved into data. I'm now a technical lead. Oh, is it really? I hate that. I need to get a new mic. That's exactly what it is. Why would it be picking it up twice? Is it monitoring, or is the... Let me turn the monitor off for the music. Does that fix that? Did that fix it at all? Okay, we'll wait to hear if it fixed it. No, huh? USB audio, webcam audio, streaming. Let me... Audio output. I've just started to really use this OBS. Music finds almost like you have the stream open as well, and the speaker is going back into the mic. The stream open. Well, I have YouTube Studio open. I wonder if that's it. Let me close this. So I closed YouTube Studio and I just have OBS. Did that fix it at all? Off monitoring, and I turned down the decibels. What I need to do is find a good setting. Okay, Yeah, what I need to do is find a good setting for, um, so let's try this, and then just save it, and then don't, don't try to play with it after that. Use a custom audio device. Capture audio only. So is it still output desktop audio? What does that mean? Oh, that's way better. Oh. Okay. Cool. So I think it was actually picking up my webcam audio as well, like you're saying, so it was kind of a loop back. Yeah, so my eventual goal is to, not my eventual goal because I'm doing it as well, but I wanted to convert some of our data processes to like F# and just kind of pass them into microprocess functions and relieve all of the boilerplate code and stuff that you need. I did get married, thank you. Yep. Been married 2 weeks now. Almost 2 weeks. 2 weeks and Friday. We're actually getting ready to go on our honeymoon. I will be gone for 2 sprints out of a whole PI. And I just moved over to data, the data side a few months ago. So I'm a technical lead in the digital ingestion portion. So I'm doing a lot of ETL stuff now, which is fun, but totally different than engineering. So it wasn't because I was doing the music then. That's good. So yeah, where did you try to set up WSLG on Windows 11? Or you were setting it up on Windows 10 for like work stuff? I know you're not on Google Meets anymore. Do you have Discord? Are you on Discord? You should send me a private message here on Google and add to Discord. Just to use it with Docker. Okay. Yeah, well, I'm about to get off here and try to catch up on the election news. Got a lot of writing on this election, huh? Send me a mess. Do you have Discord? Oh, you don't use anything anymore? Oh man, you used to use Google, at least. I haven't seen you on that in forever. An old curmudgeon, like leave my keyboard alone. Don't mess with my desktop. All right, buddy, man. It was really nice just chatting with you here on the live. Uh, whoever watches the stream in the future, like the guy that's on this chat right now is one of the most talented developers. No shit. I mean, geo developers. Like I can't remember what the word is. Geometry and points and geo development for more bolt stuff. So it's really code. I can't do what's left is to be doing the epoxy for the boat. So as soon as I get some time, and when I get back from my honeymoon, if it's still warm here, I gotta order the epoxy, and it's time to put the bottom on and start doing some stuff with the boat. But I for sure am doing the boat. GIS developers, yes, yeah. Geographic Information Systems developer, yeah. Like, are you still doing that? Do you guys still do that at Landman? Yeah. Yep. Got married up here. Fell in love with a lady. I talk to Nate every once in a while on Facebook. I don't even remember if you're on Facebook. I mean, probably not. Casey's one of those amazing developers who stays off technology. Okay. More managing now? Okay. I guess it would make sense that if I search for Casey Bajeron on Facebook, it's all people from Louisiana. But I don't know if you're on there. I don't think I think you weren't a Facebook user, if I remember correctly. In any case, all right, you guys. So what I've done today is proven that I don't know calculus after taking 2 years of it and being off for 4 months. I forgot it all, so I'm going to be refreshing that because I have to take Calc 3 in right after Christmas. I'm signed up for multivariable calculus, so I need to make sure. At least I need to. I'm sure multivariable is going to be very heavy on integration and stuff, so I need to make sure my substitution, my integration, and all of that is up to par. Integration by substitution, integration by trigonometric integration, integration by tables, and additionally I want to continue doing this programming languages part A, and then the exorcism track for the standard SML. But yeah, oh, is that the fun one? That's the fun one, huh? I could do that, or I could take diff EQ or discrete. Both of those had Calc 2 as a prereq, but I don't know. Discrete, I think, is more computer science related to, isn't it? More like oh no, linear. Linear was one I was looking at, and that had Calc 2 as a well, it didn't have Calc 2 as a prereq, but my professor recommended it. It just had Calc as a rec. Yeah, but it seems interesting to me because that uses a lot of matrix, like a lot of linear and vector multiplications and things like that. So I'm looking forward to it. Oh, it was Calc 4. Okay. Yeah, because it's a chapter in the book, but it's probably a whole book as well, on top of being a chapter. All right, well, I'm going to hop off here. And I hope to catch everybody later. Thanks for chatting. And until next time, continue learning. Talk to you later, everybody. Bye-bye.